Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics Crypto and Finance. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App in 2025. First of all, you need to open your Cash App. Then you need to click the bank icon in the bottom menu, which is the first one. You need to go to this page where you need to find Bitcoin. Click the Bitcoin, and here is the option, this blue button, buy Bitcoin. You need to click it, and then you need to choose the amount of money you're going to pay to buy the Bitcoin, or you can just enter the number manually, guys. Once you will enter the number, you will finalize the payment and you will buy Bitcoin on your Cash App. But before you will buy it, you need to make sure that your account is verified. So you need to have a verified Cash App account to buy Bitcoin. So if you have unverified account, you need to go through verification, and then you will be able to activate Bitcoin function on your Cash App. That's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.